machines, Polarmatic. We're not going to dazzle you with special effects or pressure you with a hard sell or promise that you'll make millions of dollars overnight. What we are going to do is give you the cold, hard facts so that you can make an informed decision, an educated investment. Ice sales in the U.S. are approaching $2 billion a year. Automated ice vending is an exploding component of that market. In less than a decade, consumers have come to accept this technology wholeheartedly. In fact, they prefer the ease of use and lower product cost these units provide.
It's very convenient for people. We operate it 24 hours a day, drive up, get their ice, and leave.
Automated ice vending units will eventually drive traditional bagged ice sales out of the market.
Polarmatic has changed the ice vending business forever.
Is an investment in an automated ice vending unit a sound decision? It certainly is, as long as you do a little homework before you purchase one. As with most technologies, competing manufacturers use different approaches in designing and building their automated ice vending machines. To avoid patent infringement, the inner workings can vary widely. Some manufacturers have designed systems so full of interconnected moving parts that you can't help but wonder how they will ever hold up to constant use. Or their technology is so complex that you will practically have to hire a rocket scientist to maintain them. The Polarmatic design team set out to build a simple yet elegant ice making and dispensing system with the fewest moving parts, using the most durable components available.
We at Polarmatic feel we have designed the most dependable ice vending system on the market today. There are no chains, sprockets, or gears. With the fewest moving parts, the Polarmatic is the right choice for you.
Fewer moving parts means fewer parts to wear out, which means less maintenance and upkeep costs. More uptime, less downtime. Sanitation is another important consideration. The interior of the Polarmatic is kept at 25 degrees Fahrenheit, preventing the development of mold or bacteria. And the few components that do come into contact with the ice are made of food-grade stainless steel. Bulk delivery chutes, common on some competitive models, are impossible to keep sanitized and are all too prone to mold and bacteria growth. That's why we don't include them as an option. Let's talk about output. Output equals product. Product equals revenue. No output, no product, no revenue. Don't be deceived by the ice production figures most manufacturers present. What a unit claims to produce on a daily basis does not represent what it can deliver during peak use hours.
Unlike our competition, Polarmatic was designed from the ground up to be a demand producer.
The Polarmatic has the capacity to deliver a bag of ice every 30 seconds from its internal storage hopper, which has a capacity of over 500 pounds. Fresh ice is added to the hopper as needed in 7-minute intervals.
For us to sell out of ice during a day, we would have to sell about 500 bags, and that will be really hard to do. Physically, people just can't put their money in the machine fast enough to do that.
The Polarmatic is not only an efficient ice-making machine, it's space efficient too. It has a small footprint, 6 feet by 14 feet, which means it will fit in a standard-sized parking space. This compact size opens up a wide range of placement opportunities.
Polarmatic's smaller footprint of 6 by 14 feet and the capacity to produce 10,000 pounds of ice per day makes it the most revolutionary ice vending machine on today's market.
And speaking of placement, you can literally tow the Polarmatic to your desired location. And unlike competitive units, you won't need an expensive crane and operator to offload your Polarmatic. In less than a day, you can have it placed, skirted, connected to power and water supplies, and making and, more importantly, selling ice. While it may be true that people usually like surprises, no one wants to be surprised to find out that their new ice vending machine won't make or deliver ice. That's why Polarmatic tests each unit before it leaves the factory. Ask around and you'll hear stories about the surprises some buyers of competing units have experienced during and after installation. Of course, Polarmatic tech support will be on site during the installation process to ensure trouble-free setup. We also offer a support hotline, and a 5-year extended service warranty is available. The Polarmatic includes a comprehensive diagnostics system to keep track of internal operations. And it's designed to call any telephone number you program to deliver a pre-programmed report in the event of a system error. A good-looking installation attracts customers. Awnings and skirting add a touch of class to your system. And of course, they're available with each Polarmatic. Don't feel locked into one location. You can easily move your Polarmatic to accommodate seasonal demand changes or to serve special events like fairs, expos, sporting events, or any location where the demand for ice exists. We think you'll find the Polarmatic is a great investment and an extremely well-built unit that requires minimal maintenance and upkeep. When you compare the feature sets and build quality of a Polarmatic ice vending unit to any of the competing systems, you will see why we believe we sell the best unit on the market.
I would recommend the Polarmatic, and the reason I would recommend it is size, the folks in the company, the capacity of the machine, and the reliability of the machine.
Our warranty and service options are the best in the business. The compressor is warranted for 18 months. Most of the small components carry a 2-year warranty, with the exception of the evaporator tubes, water distributors, ice crushing assemblies, screw conveyors, and mounted bearings, which are covered for 5 years. And the prefabricated storage room comes with a 10-year warranty. The Polarmatic is efficient. It's a lean, mean, ice-making, money-making machine. These are just a few of the many reasons why you should make the Polarmatic your next automatic ice vending machine. Give us a call for more information.